Today's featured pickup truck is a 1981 Toyota Hilux SR5 four-wheel drive short bed pickup truck. And I'll read the seller's description at the auction. And the owner said 1981 Toyota 4x4 pickup truck short bed, total restoration by current owner who purchased the truck in 2014. Rebuilt engine, new suspension, new front and rear brakes, new gas tank, new radiator, new AC, new interior, new paint, new graphics, new alternator, new ignition coil, new plugs and wires, new motor mounts. Has only 87,215 original miles. But it sold for $25,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was white with blue interior. And it was like new. It was a 4-cylinder 5-speed. And it looked like it was totally redone. Definitely was well taken care of. And it was a rust-free California truck to begin with. But anyway, that's today's featured truck of the day, a 1981 Toyota SR5 Hilux 4x4 short bed pickup truck that was totally restored by the current owner who owned it since 2014. And it sold for $25,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in November of 22. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.